let's see. Welcome back to the video, guys. Let's explore this outside. Okay. But we will down here, like, this is not how you might play. Actually, so we're going to one back, but if it's getting dark, then I will go mining. But I just joined. I just got on. Right now, our goal is to find a parrot so we can have him by our side. But we only oh my god, there's a pair. Hello. Hopefully you, hopefully you're okay. Glad to see you. Okay, so obviously, let me hide this from the pan. I have no idea what else do, like, type of bamboo. But yeah, as you can see, no iron. We do have watermelon, so I should be okay with food. We need to find a way. What is this thing? Oh yeah, there's a camel, kinda. Hello. Hello. I'm friendly. There we go. We're just going to have this. Yeah. So, actually, what I want to see, just keeping another pan over there. Do you like this? Hello? Do you like this? I don't think it does. Okay. What is that? What is that? Let's go ahead. And we'll go ahead. We can abandon this place if we want to. Okay, so we need to make a couple of sticks. We need to make a pickaxe. Looks like there's a chest down there. Oh look, look at that. I can make one. That's cool. Let's go ahead and make sticks. Make a couple of sticks, and we'll go ahead and make a pickaxe. So obviously our goal is to find a bed, and then we'll go ahead and find a bed. It's okay. So I'm going to go ahead and just check. So we're going to be okay if we do lose it. We don't have a bed yet. We just need to find one more sheep. One more sheep to... I need to also be careful of not hitting any cat, pandas. The goal is to get her, and we need to find more food. So we can't, I like how we can't have this. This is not, watermelon doesn't really fill you up. It only fills out 100. It's getting dark. Okay. Oh, there's a drown. Ooh. Whoa, they can actually swim. I know that. Yeah, definitely. Oh, whoa. Oh, hello. Hello. I'm going to get back to the base. Okay, die. Oh god, okay, almost finished. Okay, so we should head back. It's getting dark. We should head back to the place. If we can kill the sheep. Okay, let's go down here. We can make the bag. Whew! And we can go ahead and go back. We'll make a cave here. This will be our home for now. That's really good. Unbelievable. Who was that? Okay. We can go ahead and do this. Whew. We can go ahead and sleep after we make this quick bed. And then I guess we can go ahead and leave if we wanted to. Like now in the morning we can go ahead and go. What do I want to do here? Hopefully I don't die. Okay. So I think what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and move. But this won't be our home. Okay, let's see. Yes, perfect. We need this. Okay. Perfect. Is it daytime? Yes. So now we can go ahead and maybe we can go ahead and travel. That would be awesome. Okay. Sweet. Let's go ahead and let's just go ahead and run around. We'll see what we can find. My parents obviously we're going to water. We have a bed now, so anytime we need to sleep, we can this is going. I decided to myself. So what we're gonna do is, as we get more into the game, our goal is to kill the end dragon, kill the ender guardians, go kill the wizard, go to the mansion, find a mansion. And then probably I'm thinking about maybe making a cake. Here we go. It's my time. Come on, dude. Dude, do you not like me? Come on, let me show you. Don't like me. Okay, we're going to get him. Oh my god, dude, do you not like me? Yeah, I killed chickens for you. Oh, you lost me. Oh, yes. So now he's on top of my shoulder. Okay, guys, we got it. I'm so happy right now. Oh, that's so, yes. Perfect. My own won the quest, but I didn't, and now I'm looking like I did. Even though I won't check it off or anything. Come on. Okay, guys, so what I need to do is let me know what should I name this parrot. right here. Tell me in the comments down below, name him, and I will decide which one to choose. It could be a girl or a boy, maybe one, but I don't care. Just name it whatever you like. Give me suggestions, comments down below. God, I'm in the jungle. Here's a spider. We're gonna have to get some food here. Oh, you don't know how I have them right now. Thank you for letting me. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead. Let's see. What's that? My boy, I don't know who he is. On my shoulder. Okay. You should probably go away. Maybe if we come back. Okay, our boy. Oh yeah, cause our boy can teleport. Okay. Oh, I thought I saw a parrot. Oh, no, okay, never mind actually. I think I did see a parrot. That's a good one to me. We're going to get some seeds here. Great. Blue, my favorite color. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and move this coal. Pick up more seeds. One. Oh, first try. Oh yes, we got 2 boys. Oh, that's amazing. 2 boys. Okay, so now you have to name 2 bodies. Yes, 2 boys now. Time. We're gonna go ahead and go up here. We're going to exploring. Whoa. Okay, do you guys see what I see? See what Oh my. Actually, jungle tower is not that big, so we know down so just ready. Just sit my boards down. I should probably go do that on the Okay, come here. Come here. Go to the head and sit. Sit. Now he blew off. Come here. I really don't want to lose this one. You might want to come with me. One sec. Back here, because this is coil. Okay, that's the code. Okay, I am very... Hold on. Whoa. No, my buddy. Are you okay? I got you confused. Okay. Sorry. Sorry. Like this. Whoa, iron. Oh my, yes. Guys, this is huge. Jungle Temple, finding iron and gold already in the second episode. That is huge. We found Jungle Temple. I'm so happy right now. We might have to sleep, but what I want to do is get rid of this. Might go ahead and go sleep. Yeah, I'm gonna go sleep right here. Okay, and we're gonna find this chest. Cause why not? Oh, not so good. You need a dog. There's no skeleton coming. Unless it's a parrot making that sound, or what? Did I hit it? Hold on. Okay, you okay, right? Kevin, you okay? Oops. Okay, so we got iron, which is huge. Okay, come on, kid. Alright, what are we doing here? 17 minutes. Okay, so I'm going to end it here, guys. For next episode, we are going to explore more. It looks like the jungle. It looks like the most beautiful is the jungle. So I'm going to leave it off here, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed. Leave like, subscribe, it's super fun. Like I said, next episode we're going to go exploring. I always see another parrot, and you know I want to be the parrot king. I see another parrot, and we might get that one. Next episode, we'll find out. We're going to take a break. I'm going to go. There's a lot of mobs. I think that's the parrots making that stuff. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. Leave a like, subscribe, super fun. I'll see you next time. Peace out. Bye.